free. We shall march until all Kenyans are free.
Thank you, comrades. Thank you, media, for being here with us. We are at risk. You there on that side, we here on this side. Nobody is free. You don't know if you'll get home if you leave here. Even from here, we don't know if we'll be picked. If you look around, the police are present. Why do they show such intimidation to women and to Kenyans who are afraid for their lives?
Down with intimidation, down. Down with police intimidation, down. Down with police harassment, down.
This is completely unnecessary. There are parents who are languishing, who have not been able to sleep because they don't know where their children are. And that no parent should ever have to go through what they are going through. On their behalf, we ask that their children be released unconditionally and immediately and unharmed. If this government has nothing to do with it, we want to know why we are seeing people here who are hooded and others in uniform with batons and with tear gas. We want to know why we are being intimidated, right? Because these same people are the same ones who are picking us, snatching us from our homes, from our neighborhoods, from our places of work, and that should completely come to an end. So, on behalf of the parents who are looking for their children, who've been looking for their children, we are asking, please release these children. Let them come back home to their families, to their loved ones, to live the life that they are supposed to live. If the government has got nothing to do with this, why are they not investigating? Why can't they tell us? And if they can't do that, then they should resign. This government should go. Because if they cannot keep us safe, then what business do they have leading us? They cannot lead us and kill us. They cannot lead us and snatch us. It is not going to, it's not going to be business as usual. We want to be free. We live in a free country, and that's the way it must be. We must protect our country, people. We must protect our country. Nobody is coming to protect it. Those who keep saying they are donors, those people who keep saying people are being paid, if you look around here, it's just moms, it's just sons, it's just husbands, it's just brothers, fathers, even in your media. Look around, tell me who's being paid. Who has been paid to be abducted? Who's being paid to be beaten? No. Mjinga ni nani? Mjinga ni mwenye nadhani kuna malipo. Nobody is being paid. And those who are being paid, you know them. And you know what they're saying. Because we have one enemy. We have one enemy. And that enemy has to go. This government must resign if it cannot keep its people safe. We cannot walk as if we're thieves. Well, they're the thieves. The thieves running this country must go. We must be free in every form, way, shape, fashion.
Government, the NIS, the DCI, and the National Police Service at large, an ultimatum to produce our comrades whom they abducted 15 days ago, and today they have only released 4 of them. We have many comrades still incommunicado. They are still being held incommunicado. And what we are saying is that we are not going to relent, we are not going to keep quiet, we are not going to be peaceful in our homes, because there is no peace when we know someone somewhere has not started their new year in a good pace. Someone somewhere is suffering, some family somewhere is suffering, but then we have people who are coming to gaslight us that these people have abducted themselves, and these people did not have pleasure of coming to celebrate New Year with us. Some of them did not have the pleasure to come and celebrate Christmas with us. That it is their liking that they are somewhere where no one knows. You see that kind of gaslighting? We are not going to allow. So what we are saying is that we are still on the street because we want all the comrades to be released. And their release is not going to be an assurance that we shall not continue marching. We shall continue marching because we are fighting so many injustices, not just abductions. But today we are here to say, release Mwaivu, release free Kibet, and free Mbisi. And Kavuli. And Kavuli is already released. So release all these people, then you shall have peace. Otherwise, if that is not done, we are going to continue with what we are doing, because it is our right enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya 2010, and we actually feel that Kenya needs change. Comrades, power!